Thrice the square of a natural number decreased by 4 times the number is equals to 50 more than the number. What is the number? Let us solve it if you are ready. This is a word problem leading to algebraic equation. First, you have to know that natural number is a positive integer. Integer is a whole number and can be represented in a number line. Alright, let y be the number so that 3 times the square of y decreased by is the same as minus 4 times y equals to 50 more than the number is the same as 50 added to the number. We now convert the sentence given into numerical algebraic equation. We have that 3 times the square of y minus 4 times y equals the sum of 50 and y. Arrange terms in one side of the equation as shown on the screen and simplify to get the reduced version of the equation as shown on the screen. Then factorize. Find two expressions that when multiplied equals the product of the first and the third terms, and when add together equals the second term. The product is 3 times the square of y times negative 50 equals negative 150 times the square of y. The sum is negative 15 add to plus 10 times y equals negative 5 times y. Thus, replace the second term with the derived sum expression. Simplify and factor out common factor in each groups as shown on the screen and equate to 0. Simplify further and we have the product of 3 times y sum to 10 and y minus 5 all equal to 0. Thus, either the sum of 3 times y and 10 equals 0 or y minus 5 equals 0. Thus, y equals to negative 10 divided by 3 or y equals to 5. Therefore the correct option is B.